What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the new flagship Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is destroyed by last year's iPhone 13 Pro Max. Comparative test results have appeared. Compared to last year's Snapdragon 888, 8 Gen 1 sees a 13% increase in single-core Geekbench results and 9% increase while using all cores. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra smartphone is equipped with the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 single-chip system, which is noticeably inferior to the Apple A15 mobile platform, as shown by the result of fresh testing in various benchmarks. According to PC Mag, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 powered by Galaxy S22 Ultra scored 3433 in the Geekbench multi-core test, compared to 4647 for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Similar results were obtained in the single-core test, with the iPhone 13 Pro Max scoring 1735, with the iPhone 13 Pro Max scoring 1735, and the Galaxy S22 Ultra scoring 1232 points. Compared to the last year's Snapdragon 888, the 8 Gen 1 saw a 13% increase in single-core Geekbench results and a 9% increase when using all cores. But in GFX bench tests, as PC Mag notes, the new platform is about 20% better at some tasks. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 neural block is dubbed Hexagon and helped the Galaxy S22 Ultra score 448 on Geekbench's machine learning test. At the same time, the iPhone 13 Pro Max scored 948 points in the same test. In the Basemark web test, the results were 578 and 1139 points for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and iPhone 13 Pro Max. Samsung, what you have been doing for a whole year. Galaxy S22 Ultra on Exynos 2200 catastrophically loses GPU modifications on Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in tests. The difference is huge. Well, after a series of desperate tests and rumors, it's time to finally put an end to the confrontation between SoC Exynos 2200 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC. A test of two Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra based on different platforms has finally appeared on the network. Unfortunately, early expectations were not justified and all the latest fears were confirmed. The Eclipse 920 GPU in the Exynos 2200 is not just weaker than the Adreno 730 in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. It is much weaker. In fact, these are solutions of different classes. In particular, in 3D Mark Wildlife, the Samsung platform scores 6684 points, while the Qualcomm solution shows 9548 points. That is 42% more. Actually, in the same test, the results of the Exynos 2100 are only slightly lower than those of the new Samsung SoC. In GFX Bench Manhattan, the two Samsung platforms show identical results at all, and in T-Rex, the old SoC is even slightly faster. Qualcomm's innovation is always ahead, and the gap is always huge. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.